Hi, my name is Blake, and today we'll be checking out some great new products from Nitrous Express. This is the new plate system, part number 20948-10 for the 2011 and above 5-liter Coyote. The Nitrous Express 5-liter Coyote plate system features spraybarless technology for the ultimate in atomization and distribution. The billet aluminum plate bolts between the throttle body and the intake, making installation quick and simple. The solenoids are integrated into this plate for a super clean look, and a direct plug-in fuel line adapter is provided as well, so there's no need to cut your factory fuel lines. The system includes a TPS Autolearn switch as well, so the nitrous only activates at wide open throttle and automatically turns off when you let your foot off the accelerator. The system will include jetting from 35 horsepower up to 200 horsepower with additional jets. Systems include extra long stainless braided nitrous lines, a master arming switch, your relay and relay harness, as well as all necessary hardware to complete this installation. Systems with a bottle include the new billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve and stainless bottle brackets. For more information on this plate system or products alike for the Coyote 5.0, contact us via Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, or even give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other great products on nitrousexpress.com.